bari asomanyete usejire chebiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Bona kwabire gogwego kya ase emeroberio yabire ke kogochera asembeo ase Chinsa chabono ngo kwarigania semesa ya mangana maya Ekeonga weekend Chinsa Ikomi torigere nara riagendrete imena isiko ya gusi amarietane Juliah Kerubo. Ose karoto barete Chinsa asobo chori bwekero geku kya AUC nigo egeikaro kiemeronge 35 na gatoto kiabagego korekana ritko ria rero ase omonya Kerubo oyubo igokorwa bisi ase kero geku kya AUC omoske Mousafaki abere gakoru enkwana yaye.
To your families and your peoples, on behalf of the African Union, my best wishes for health, prosperity and success. I would like also to express my sincere gratitude to the chairman with whom I have worked successively over the past 8 years. I'm here referring in the order of their chairmanship: Alpha Conde, Paul Kagame, Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, Cyril Ramaphosa, Antoine Felix Tshisekedi, Macky Sall, Azali Assoumani, and Mohammed Ul Sheikh Al-Ghazwani. At this moment of remembrance, I cannot forget President Idris Deby Itno. May his soul rest in peace, who, as a convinced Pan-Africanist, had the initiative presenting my candidature to head the commission, and who invested himself unstintingly for such a destiny for me. His tragic death was my most atrocious pain of these 2 terms. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, 8 years have elapsed since my election at the end of January 2017 as chairperson of the African Union Commission. At this moment, loaded with history, meanings and symbols, I would like to fulfill the moral duty of presenting to you the broad outlines of the outcome of these 2 terms. Thanks to this journey, I have deeply imbued myself with both what makes the greatness and the influence of our continent, of our continental organization, as well as the various constraints and limitations that have hindered the rhythm of our pace. I have crisscrossed this beautiful and fantastic continent. I feel deeply proud, having visited at least once all the 55 member states of our union. The opportunity that this moment affords is historical and unique. I will try to fulfill the dual obligation of reporting and also raising some questions about some issues, being well aware that we must not absolutely abuse of your precious time.
Mwancho murigereria karo tugendete kuganyirira ububui bwekiro giku kia AUC nigo bono umurayo gatatu bwenseri ya Angola Joao Lourenço nigo bono abere gakubwa ase ekirogo kyoborai a inse ye kiumbe kerikia AU muna president.
Turn to him and I wish him success in this endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. And now I have the honor to welcome His Excellency Joao Manuel Lourenço, President of the Republic of Angola, the new chairperson of the African Union, for the handover ceremony in the high table. You are welcome, Your Excellency.
Ekero abarai kuruime ense ya Kenya babiri bagwika sense ya Ethiopia mona abarai bense ko Chinsa chinde babiri bagwika sense ya Ethiopia nigo abakenya bono barure ebirengererio byabo igoro yechikura echikore as AUC.
Laila, nataka ushindwe, urudi nyumbani, utetee wa Kenya. Nataka wa Kenya wajue Laila huyu sio yule Laila wa kitambo mwenye alikuwa anatetea wananchi. Sasa hii Laila amegeuka ni msaliti sasa hii. Laila ameongozwa na tumbo yake sasa hii. Tuliacha umeshindwa uchaguzi, mnafanyanga nini na president? Laila, rudi nyumbani ukatetea wananchi. Juu hata ukichukua hiyo kiti ya AU chairmanship utaenda tu upewe pesa ukuje usaliti Afrika. Wewe rudi nyumbani, tetea wananchi. Sasa hii abduction ziko juu, kuja ututetee.
Kwa niaba ya watu wa Udhaya, Nyeri County, sisi tumepiga magoti chini tukiomba Mungu asikize maombi zetu ya kwamba Raila Amolo Odinga rudi nyumbani, sababu tunanyanyaswa na hii serikali. Ushuru imepanda sana, lakini akiwa hapa opposition inakuwa na nguvu na anasaidia kutetea wananchi.
Mimi nasikia kuna uchaguzi pia tunajionea kwa runinga, lakini maoni yangu mimi nataka rais Prime Minister wa zamani Raila Odinga asichaguliwe, arudi hapa. Hapa Raila tunateseka. Na kama marais wa nchi zingine mnanisikiza, tafadhali wacha Raila Odinga anguke, arudi hapa. Hapa tunaumia, na bila Raila Odinga hapa pande ya opposition sisi hatuko. Tena Rais Ruto alituambia usiegemee pande ya kabila yenu. So mimi juu sitaki kuitwa mkabila, mimi nasema niko Djibouti na nasema rais huyo wa Djibouti ashinde.
Tulikuwa tunaona akibishana na serikali, vitu zinakuwa na bei, zinaanguka bei, manake anangangana kiserikali. So mimi naweza taka baba anguke hiyo kiti, arudi hapa nyumbani, aendelee.
Na ase chinkwano echubwego chigende tase gikarikyo ime ya Ethiopia nigo omo prime minister bwense ya Ethiopia Ahmed Abiy abairega kuboria okubwaterana eryo kubeka magenderero muna chinse cha Africa.
Freedom. It is an honor to stand before you today as we reflect on the immense potential we hold, not just as individual nations, but as a united and dynamic continent. In a world marked by rapid change and multiple challenges, we find ourselves at the crossroads of uncertainty and opportunity. This moment calls upon us to strengthen our collective resolve, embrace resilience, and foster unity across Africa. The theme for this year's assembly calls on us to heal the scars of historical injustice and overcome lingering trauma that has long hindered our progress. The demand for reparations is not about charity or financial aid. It is a call for justice. It seeks to restore the dignity of millions and heal the deep scars of poverty, inequality, and discrimination. It demands an end to the systematic exploitation of our achievements in politics, science, economics, and arts. The strategic initiatives, such as the African Continental Free Trade Area, give us the tools to boost intra-Africa trade, reduce external dependency, and achieve self-reliance. With Africa's large and dynamic use, abundant natural resources, and growing technological innovations, we have all the means to ensure sustainable growth. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, particularly generative AI, offers unprecedented opportunities.
Na abakorie gasi korwase county ya Machakos nigo bale ne kibakogokera aya maega y'omugabano gwe county eyu ya Machakos okoroka wa Vinyandeti abakiniri ase ebirogo imeye county eyu ya Machakos ase bwego wa Vinya abakire koko ase gasingia bagende togokorera e county eyu ya Machakos.
Today I am very excited to announce that we are now on the right trajectory towards realization of full transformation of our workforce, thanks to the maximum cooperation that I have received from the county government employees. I have heard the cries of many employees who have gone up to 10 years without promotion. And when I came, I met the doctors. And we had a very long chat. And I could really see the pain in their eyes. I saw it very unfair. Their cry was real, and I worked on it. We have others who are about to retire, having stagnated on the same job group through the years of service. Yani uliandikwa miaka 30 years ago, until sasa, you're still getting the same. Is that fair? The 10 HR policy documents we have launched today are a testimony of our commitment to doing the right thing. You have heard the presentation of the earlier speaker. We are pulling in the same directions. My government will also continue investing heavily on training and capacity building on our staff in order to enhance staff potential and capacity to offer better services to wananchi. Let me prioritize human resource development as a cornerstone of county governance.
Na tugutigana asenseme yunigo omubere bw'omwana omunyaruka bw'emyaka 15 nomo oyobete kugutuka ase enkendu ya gucha nigo abanyene benseme yo batebangana omwana oyo niga bete gakurwa ase nka yabo guchikogenda ase ongina koro ase abete kagusira ase metienye bere bono yere ne chiwiki bere na bono nigo batebanga ken nabo oranyore buna omwana oyo niga bete gakonyora omubasukano bwepara.
Teresa Bisara gani mwaka na kurukumira umwana uyu nigo namutumete ariko ndumwe koro diamond kena mutumete karagade kwero likeroka na bale kirero likeroka akaika asali wikira injanksi agatebwa buno wikira na mutumete gatosika kororo obwatega boso wikirero ndi otene no muntu narucha kuko umwana uyu akaraikoro tachieti gotenoro umwana unaenda akaira na paki kiro muntu namorocha buna igetense
ka Kerubo yane shin kamuri umwana inarabu ante mwana itaja ande ngamuro de kabira ante mwana utaya wana kare kunya kumuri naratemire kumuri weta mwana yakambura kalengera yaya bosabara aringa chanwali yake moyo school akarambura ono igoro opete ko ngati nesi onte ya ankonga yoro ngomate bina chete masimba bintu bena jiro koro onte kono ngenda paka channel iko ikona na nyo to mano mocha bia ane ga cheki kini kanyara ne yo kumena limo ko kumena na kini amatuka be abera mocha nguru January abu ate kurobo amoti nyomo ne chukibe
kwete baibu bakarangeri bo bakayana kibakanyara ne ro kwete ubana ukukwa entoma itira kinya kara twate amita ku nengi twate abetu iga tukite santale saba January ase Chinsa amachame tamayo okwete mana cha lakini ndora manyo ngo mwana ina bakwete na rusa
abamenyi korwase county ya Nyamira nigo litkoria rero babere bakurusie birengero byabo botwe bwe chikura echo chiko bachigo korekana litkoria rero asabange babo beresire buna umuskeraira karabwe chikura cyabo nigo abantu korwane na sorogongo rwa Nyanza barachikoronyora magenderera mange nabo igo abange babo abamenyi benseme ya Nyamira nigo barereire buna raira karachiko bwa chikura echo nigo ubugima bwa Kenya bwo Ekeonga buna abeire gakubarwanirira ase Chinsa chiricho bugima
Osio wechikura echiga ritkoria rero asokoria Kerubo kyomunyakerubo bwobamo bwe Chinsa cha Africa abwase omorai omonene bw'ikyama kya ODM kurwaiga imeyensi ya Kenya omuskeraira Odinga are oyomobo azibaria bakoria Kerubo keiga nigo bono abamenyi be county ya Nyamira besokrie na kurwa ebirengero byabo anene igoro yomuskeraira Odinga asobochori obwo abwase abande barekande kumuganiria amaya Odinga asobochori obwo agoteba nigo abeiro murai okurwanirira abantu ase emyaka emenge
John Maronga korutente amolo no muntu urendete Kenya sana korwenga kiya moi baturendire gocha naende omugakuyu oturendire Kenya naende turujinga muntu tayo uraturerere kuno moro Odinga nesenge
njasa marieta nikongoro kwa person onchirima engwe kurunyaki oli village west mugrango nikongo support umo yako yoraira ile chikura asenge njo obere gago tokonya go turwanira obere gago tokeria mavuta ile buna obere gago turwanda ku 7 obere go turwanda 2017 urwanire class gakinale kusana abantu bali baeyu mwale korora mabira moto erera ira Odinga
dole nekero kamono igakobori amoja ni aire ntomanye tenga ko Kisumu paka gusiga igagwika tutware suka highway na bintu binde binene aba muramuna bako banyore kipara kingiya na bintu binde bira bigotokonya na ande nto mutakete kuru Nyanza torolekana ko baba sucha because
ira moro ingamba ya Kerubo aikera kibwire turanyore ubugui asikenyingi
na kurase ensemo yende nigo batwarire birengerero ebyao igoro yomuske Raila Odinga na goteba oboba bare na barobwo aise kubwa nigo uchumi yense ya Kenya irachie gusareka mono
ngego tokonya mwa karairo rabe igagotosuguma otokonyire kura gotokeria no na magori ebinto tendo tinaga ngaine twagende garia ekera irire tikure che garia tutigega tukumia
ira tigaira nenkaga iga gusina tokonya singecho yore igoro mona twachandekire gakwande ngumbu eria ndokora guso yore gaiga na tokonya gakore na gaiga turwanirire
kosa baigara ira ne Kenya ekerera nire Kenya na aje gotokonya gakara mweshimi guturuta amusukumete amoire ngumbu achikobero atukure
enango pinga musigera ironinga nasabira kero keke yako ziruto chiro bana chire na onko mondo no ofisa de monene kasongo tu ametumiza ya kutosha
tuoboete kurume yaitu ntwese nkoro yaitu gose munanchi oyo murigereirie kerogo omurigerie kerogo mbia mono na atakeire kuire kerogo geke ese kwirende yaitu lakini ende kere akoirwa ototurwa to omoma ne bwito naki igara mwire agende achiamo ekerogo ekio okomo ekerogo ekio gokenyoro kuira amayote goto tumayote konyanyasa Kenya aga tuchandiki
chingaki echecho abamenyi abaigani go barorekanire gukwanira obomo bw'omugusi bosio bw'obochori obonene anene asoko mubwatisia omoske Fred Matiang'i
oyo minto Matiang'i asante intwo karatiga mang'ana maraga no mugako ito musika mbili mocha ponyoka tosa kogende kerogeka abantu babere tokurwanirira twatugutira nyota yeito oroche abagikoyo ngo tubwatsi bale abantu benshi paka baruya ngo tubwatsi bale onya motagete omugusiiti gato tenene saamo paka nyona abantu baisiko bamanyenga ki ntotenene saamo kwakira Matiang'i aya onya tuteneine naende boigo nyone koko sabegieseri ekekora abanga aye abantu bao mbareine
Tomasa kumatiga mage kiagera kurmaega musikurgi history ibinda gorribioka gocha no ekera nge atendrete education morocho na korte bia morocho na anga sabi bia nge tai so njenero gerengere kyanar ko ba we want to make Kenya great again Matiang'i musho
Kingo reporter ya Getembe korwa igase bunge ya West Mugirange gotoka emiye kaunti ya Nyamira
Omwancho murigereria ayuna yanda mange no chikonyanyora chikoraga Chinsa ibere na Chinsa enye chabotuko ase enchera yobwekera no kwarenge na enche Juliah Kerubo